How would you like to make your first $1,000 this month? Hi, I'm Dee, and this is Not For Your Thought, and I am obsessed with making you rich the right way. So what are we waiting for? Let's get on with it. I know it sounds unreal. You're gonna have to believe me. First of all, you made it. Just to assure you, all the methods that I'm gonna be talking about are all tried, tested, and practiced by me, myself, and I. Now, why should you be listening to me? A good point. Because the thing that I love the most, other than the Avengers, is making money. I have tried over 40 different methods to make money online, and I've narrowed it down to 8 ways that actually work, so you don't have to crash and burn trying everything that's out there. I have listed my personal favorite method, mostly because it earns me a bucket of money, but you can decide which one you like after you're done watching all of the methods. I also have a surprise gift for you, so make sure you watch it till the end. Only thing I hate more than Thanos is procrastination. So if you're going to watch this video, make sure you take action after you're done. These methods, they don't cost you any money to start. However, you end up making a lot of money. You will get better with practice, I promise. If you're gonna watch the video and not do anything about it, do yourself a favor. Don't watch it. Get out of here. I'm trying to build a community with a healthy mindset, helping them on a decent passive income and build a better lifestyle. So subscribe if you're into health, wealth, relationships, and happiness in general. Oh, I'm so excited for you. Let's get on to the first one. Let me start by saying, fudge all the noise that says affiliate marketing can only be done by famous bloggers or YouTubers. I'll be the first one to tell you that anyone with access to social media can become an affiliate marketer. I have tried affiliate marketing through Instagram, Facebook, even Pinterest, and have earned thousands of dollars within days. If you have a website or a blog, you can reach a larger audience, sure, but that should never stop an ambitious lot like us. As I mentioned, only thing you need is an account on social media. Also, it's not that complicated to understand affiliate marketing either. Think of it as a product that no one on your Instagram is aware of. You post a picture or a video with an affiliate link, someone buys that product, you get a commission out of it. It's that simple. You didn't even need to sell anything to anyone. I have something really awesome for you guys. I have scored a free course on affiliate marketing by the millionaire marketer John Crestani that has everything to get you from zero to done about affiliate marketing with or without a blog. Now keep in mind that this course is free only for you guys, so take advantage of it, take the course, and start making money right away. Don't forget the best part. This course is free. So once you're done watching, and if you like affiliate marketing, click on the link, enroll for the course, and start making money. Link in description. Google says people prefer to watch videos more than read about it. Now, do I have to prove that statement to anyone with a smartphone here? How does that help us? It does, believe me. You might say, but Dee, how am I going to be able to compete with the existing YouTubers? Who's even gonna watch my videos? I'm not PewDiePie or Logan Paul. All of you with these questions, let me ask you. Was Google the first search engine? Was Facebook the first social media network? Was Tesla the first electric car? Don't be a baby. Don't make excuses just because you got there late. Let's get to the real stuff. I have people on my team with a couple of 100 subscribers making really good money. The question is how to make a channel that makes you money while you sleep. Check out my entire playlist on a successful YouTube channel. Link in description. A little heads up. It's not an easy get rich quick type of journey. It takes time and effort, but the results are goddamn beautiful. Are you someone who sleeps on it? Or are you someone who takes action? You will never know if you're the next big thing on YouTube if you never try. You can make a how-to video, you can make a top 10 video, or you can even make a video about how to wash a dish the right way. Believe me, there are people who are willing to watch it. Now you're left with no excuses. Check out my video on the steps to start your own channel. Link in description. Oh man, you're gonna love this one. Fiverr is this amazing platform that lets you put up gigs, which means services to offer. People from around the world pay you for the services rendered, or as Fiverr would like me to say, gigs completed. It's pretty simple. It's like signing up for Facebook. Well, kind of. My advice would be to sign up and check out the services that people are offering, and once you find out the service that you can offer too, create a gig and start making money. Watching a video will not get you rich. Make sure after the video you actually do it. So comment that I will do it. There are multiple mindless jobs like data entry, email scraping, that you can learn within 10 minutes by watching a how-to video on YouTube. This can earn you at least $20 to $30 a day for 1 hour's worth of work. If this video gets 100 likes, I will put out a link to a document that has the list of 15 easiest skills to list on Fiverr that will earn you more money. Don't forget to hit that like button and go on and check out Fiverr. Thank me later. There are a lot of advantages to having your own website. You can express yourself in the way you want and talk about any subject you want to. If you're rather shy to be on camera but still want to get the message out there, a website or a blog is the way to go about it. Google shows your website to people if their search matches your content. Now the question is, how do I earn from it? Ever heard of ads? Yes, the same ones that bug you on YouTube. It's simple. The more visitors you have, the more you earn. Now some of you will be like, but D, I'm not a web developer. Or some of you may ask, who's gonna place ads on a new blog? Well, you don't need to be a web developer to have your own website. There are hosting companies that only charge you $5 a month to take care of your website and answer all your questions without making you feel stupid about it. One of them is Hostinger. Now, I'm not being paid by Hostinger to promote it. I only mentioned it because I use it for more than 10 of my websites and I still don't know squat about web development. Soon, I will put out a video on how to make a website out of scratch and into a beautiful looking blog. To answer your second question, Google AdSense and Media.net are a couple of examples of the companies that are willing to place advertisements on your up-and-coming blogs or websites. Like the idea of having your own website? Go on and make one. Watch the part 2 of this video for the ways to make money online for students. Comment below if you need my help with anything at all, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this video with your friends and people you care about. And also follow Nut for Your Thought on Facebook and Instagram for daily updates. Thank you for watching till the end. I love you and I'll see you in the next video.